Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while, but I just hadn't had any recent, unboxings or anything that cool going on. Hope you're all staying safe and having a good time otherwise. But I thought I would jump on, just kind of talk about a topic of, I guess, kind of quote, what's in my bag, but it's not really what's in my bag per se. I watched recently a guy on YouTube, I forget his name, I apologize, but he's a shoe repair man, but he also repairs handbags, and he's pretty popular on YouTube. And he repairs Louis Vuitton coated cotton, I believe it's either coated cotton or PVC bags, but it's all the regular Louis Vuitton, coated cotton bags. And one time he, on one of the bags, and I think it was the Alma bag, so similar to this Dooney and Bourke sitting in front of me, the Dooney and Bourke Greta Novelty Zip Zip Satchel, what he does is he takes apart the whole bag, depending on what problems are with it, and he redoes it. He puts new parts and everything, coated cotton, not coated cotton, but he'll put in the insert, what's inside, and replace the leather and the zipper. And in one of them, he opened it up, and behind the coated cotton part, there was a paper, like a hard cardstock paper inside, and it's basically to keep the shape. And I noticed something, and I wanted to let you guys know. So I like to clean, how I clean my bags is, and I'm sure, I don't know if everybody does this, but the inside gets pretty dirty, the cotton. And I'll take it and I will get it wet, and then I will scrub it with Fells Napa stain remover, which works excellent, by the way. I think it's called Fells Napa or something, and it's got an old-fashioned packaging on it. Anyways, then I rinse it out really good, and I, kind of pat it dry really hard with a towel, and then I just let it dry. But I noticed when I did that with my Zip Zip Satchel, which is this one right here, after I did that, then I put a little bit of heat on it, but not too much heat. And then I had the stuffing out. I noticed that there was a lot of lumps that happened in here. I want to show you. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can see them. There's a big dent right here. See how it kind of smushes in right here? There's some right here, a few lumps there, and then a dent on the side here. But I remember when I cleaned it, it was really denty, like there was a lot of dents. And then there's like a little one right here. And I'm like, gee, this looks, it was disappointing. So then I compared it with my current one here. This does have stuffing in it as well, but look, there's no huge dents on this. And by the way, I am carrying this. I haven't like smelled any terrible smells on it, and I still love it. But yeah, this dent was how it came with that, but there's way less. So I thought, okay, I'm 99% sure that there is a thin paper or like a cardstock paper lining that goes on the side and the front and the back to keep it shape. And I'm like, well, if I washed this bag, the paper got all wet and it got all wrinkly, and that's why it's lost its shape. And I just thought I'd let you guys know. I have one more example of this. So this is my Dooney and Bourke. It's just called Crossbody. I know, funny name, isn't it? Not very descriptive. But I use this more often than not, just because it's a great size for me. It holds a lot. So I wash it more often, and I want to show you. I noticed. You see just all the lumps on it. By the way, this is minimally stuffed, but this is with a little bit less stuffing. There's a lot of lumps on it. And I don't mind per se, because, this is not like Florentine leather. But like it's all over. So I do the same washing procedure with this. And I'm thinking, I think the reason why is because there is a paper lining in here. And after you've gotten it wet, what paper does, it gets all wrinkly and it disintegrates. And I'm thinking, well, that could be what's going on here. So I don't know if I recommend that you guys wash your bags the way I do, unless it's really grimy. Or if you know somebody that can reline it, that would work too, if it's really that bad. But I'm not 100% sure. But like I said, when that repairman was doing those bags, there's a paper lining in there. And it was just a coated cotton, Louis Vuitton. Granted, this isn't Louis Vuitton, but if you kind of feel it, even on the zip zips, there's a stiffness here. It doesn't, like, you feel leather, right? The softness, but then you feel it's like, it even makes this stiffing noise. So I think there is paper in there. So I've noticed that like what I do now with my bags is if it's all dirty inside, no stains though, is I'll take a sheet off of a lint roller brush, just a sheet, and then I just smush it all around inside, and that gets a lot of crap out of there. But if there's a stain, then I'll just do a spot remover. So I'll just keep you guys posted. I will have another unboxing on the way, you guys. Don't forget. So maybe about a week or so. I ordered it from QVC. They might take a while. You know, they take forever because I wasn't able to choose the option for the quicker shipping. So we'll see how long that takes. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.